Hi friends, welcome to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Now friends, today I am going to share with you a video on hair mask. Now I have been uploading a series of videos on hair masks and how to grow your hair faster, make your hair stronger. Now you can choose from any one of these videos and apply according to your wish. Now today in this video, I have been using 3 ingredients, that is ripe banana, coconut milk and organic coconut oil. I will say a few words about this on how they work on your hair, but the details you can find it in the description box. Now to start with, let's speak about ripe banana. Now banana contains the beauty mineral silica, which helps our body to synthesize collagen and make our hairs stronger and thicker. Now bananas have antimicrobial properties that can treat dry and flaky scalp and thus get rid of dandruff. Again, silica, the beauty mineral, is very helpful to repair frizzy hair. Another minerals, that is silicon, which is related to silica, helps to make your hair softer and gives a voluminous sheen. Now antioxidants in banana reduces oxidative stress, that is a major cause of brittle and aged looking hair. Now banana mask can help to strengthen the hair follicles and thus grow your hair longer. So friends, along with applying banana mask, if you can have 1 or 2 bananas every day, that will be very helpful for your hair. Now about coconut milk, on how it works on our hair and the benefits we can derive out of it. Now coconut milk restores moisture and the strength of our hair. Now coconut milk is made from the thick white flakes inside the coconut shell of a ripe coconut mixed with water. Now lauric acid is one of the main components of coconut. This fatty acid easily penetrates into the hair and strengthens our hair cuticles. Again, coconut milk is very rich in protein that helps to make our hair stronger. Now coconut milk also contains vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5 and B6. Now coconut milk again helps to decrease or slows down hair fall. It helps to moisturize our hair. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps to get rid of dandruff. It again restores dry hair and scalp. So friends, you can drink coconut milk and also apply it topically. Both these, if you can drink and apply it externally, it will again work wonders for your hair. Now the third ingredient, that is organic coconut oil. Now what is organic coconut oil? It is the pure coconut oil that we extract from the white flesh. It is devoid of any preservatives, perfumes or any other chemicals. It is actually the extra virgin coconut oil. Now this coconut oil helps to grow hair. Now because of its combination, it binds the hair protein and that protects the hair roots and the hair strands from breakage. Again, it repairs damaged hair. Now how it does, it prevents the loss of protein from hair and thus it repairs damaged hair. In other words, it prevents the hair from breakage. So friends, these 3 ingredients combined makes a very effective hair mask. What it does, in short, it grows hair, it makes your hair root strong, it makes your hair strong, Then it makes the hair cuticle strong. It makes your hair soft and voluminous. It has rich vitamins which may and antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that you can get rid of the dandruff. It will restore your dry hair and dry scalp. So friends, you can see that this hair mask is very effective for your hair, and if you can apply it regularly, you will get a beautiful, healthy and strengthy hair. So friends, let's move on and see how we can prepare this wonderful hair mask. Now friends, to start this pack, we have taken 2 very ripe bananas and 100 ml of coconut milk. Remember, it's coconut milk. Now take a blender and add to it the 2 very ripe bananas. Then add to it 100 ml of the coconut milk. Then we will be adding 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. Now we will blend all these ingredients into a fine paste. Now friends, we have made a fine paste. Now we will filter it in a strainer. Now we have taken a strainer and a bowl, and we will filter this blended pack. This way you have to filter it. You can see the lumps have remained here, and you will get a smooth and filtered hair pack. Now friends, the hair pack has turned into a smooth paste after filtration. Now friends, you have to apply this pack all throughout the length of your hair and into your scalp, and leave it for about 30 minutes and then wash off and shampoo. You have to apply it at least once a week to get maximum result. So friends, thank you for watching my videos and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.